Hi again, Facebook friends. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit about my favorite titles for maybe upper preschool, early elementary, kindergarten, through maybe second or third grade. So anyways, here we go. The first book I want to tell you about is one of our Wipe Clean books. And these Wipe Clean books are great activity books for kids who are starting to learn pen control, learn how to write their letters, their numbers, things like that. So we have, right here, we have the Wipe Clean alphabet, and it's going to go through one page per letter. They're going to be able to trace the letter with the Wipe Clean marker that comes with this. If you lose your Wipe Clean marker, you just get a dry erase marker. It works just fine. And they can reuse these pages over and over again. They have letters to trace. They can also trace around the different shapes and pictures. There's dotted lines everywhere, so they can just have tons and tons of fun learning how to write their letters and control their pen. So it's great for learning coordination that they need for writing. So this is a great book. And then at the end, they have the whole alphabet that they can practice tracing. So that's a great one. Lots of books in the Wipe Clean series, so look out for those. Another great book for younger kids is the Big Book of Big. And this happens to be the Big Book of Big Sea Creatures, but we have Big Book of Big Animals, Big Book of Big Trucks, Big Book of Big Dinosaurs, etc., etc. So I'm going to show you this one. What makes these books so special is that not only are they action-packed, filled with lots of good educational information, but, see here it's got all this information about the various sea creatures. They have these great fold-out pages. They're huge. Can't even see the whole thing in the video. But those are just wonderful because they give the kids a chance to see kind of the scale of these different big sea creatures. So here's another example of the fold-out pages right here. This one's going to go out this way. So again, way too big even for the video, but great book. So check out the Big Book of Big. Those are great for preschoolers, early elementary. Now, another great series is the Usborne Beginners, and these are little hardback books. They're $4.99 each, so they're a great deal. They're just little beginner readers with facts. They're all nonfiction. Like we have here dogs, so you open it up. Your early reader can learn all about different types of dogs, different things dogs do, just all kinds of stuff. Wild dogs, service dogs, all kinds of things. Great information. We've got horses. There's tons of books in this series. $4.99, great deal. Owls. So there's those. Now another great option for $4.99, budget friendly, are these little pocket books. There's 4 books in this series. This is reptiles. There's also birds, mammals, insects. These are great. You just open up and it's like a little field guide to different reptiles. So it's awesome. We've got the wood turtle, Chinese soft-shelled turtle, different snakes. So lots of fun for kids. They love these. Fact-filled. Very educational, but very fun. Then our paperback chapter books. We have quite a few series for your early readers, chapter books. Great, as you can see, there's some pictures. So not too many words. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, lots of great chapter books, also $4.99. So, moving on, also in the nonfiction category, the Discovery Adventure series. So great. This one, Deadly Animals. These are fact-packed. Tons of information in here. Again, kids are having a great time. They're looking through these books. They're seeing all these great pictures. But you know what? They're learning too, which is what we as parents and teachers want them to do. So these are great. The Discovery Adventure books. These are $8.99. Okay, so you just saw the Deadly Animals. There's fighter planes. There's helicopters, special forces, all kinds of great titles in this series. So that's a great one. Now, in the video for the babies and toddlers, we talked a lot about Lift the Flap books. We also have Lift the Flap books for a little bit older audience. These are great. See Inside Your Body is one of my favorites. It's got tons of flaps, over 50 flaps, all the different systems. Got the lungs, circulation, bones, muscles, everything you can imagine. So these are great. Okay, we've also got activity books for this age. 100 Paper Planes to Fold and Fly. This is an awesome book. 100 different pages to pull out there are instructions in the front of the book for building 4 different types of airplanes. So it gives you instructions for all these different types. Each piece of paper is one of those types, and it'll tell you which one to build. So much fun. If you've got a child that loves to do paper airplanes, these fly great, and they're so much fun to make. So that's another good one. Okay, sticker books. Oh, sticker books are so great. Sticker books are fun. Kids love them, but they're also great for building that fine motor coordination, especially when it's on a topic that is of interest to the child. It helps foster learning. So these are great. This is the ballerina one. So it goes through different aspects of ballet. It also has various actual ballets that you can dress the dancers for. It's got the Nutcracker, always a favorite around Christmas time. So these sticker books are great. So that's ballerinas. Rescue missions, we have these for boys and girls. So no matter what your child's interest, there is sure to be a sticker book for them. So these are just awesome. Great all around. Okay, now we also have, oh, here's another Lift the Flap. I don't want to miss this one. Lift the Flap times tables. Okay, everybody's got to learn their times tables. This is a great way to do it. Okay, this one has tons and tons of flaps to lift, lots of strategies for learning the different facts. Okay, the threes table gives them little problems to do. If 5 people visit each of these 2 shops, how many people will there be altogether? And then you open it up and you can see 5 times 2 equals 10. So great, goes all the way through. Wonderful, wonderful book. Okay, super for learning. Okay, last one for this age group, and there's so many, so please check the website. Our illustrated stories collection. These are big books, good heavy books. This one happens to be illustrated stories from Shakespeare. It's got quite a few of the Shakespeare plays retold for children. These are great for reading aloud. Some readers, hi kitty. Some readers may be able to read independently. We've got Shakespeare, we've got fairy tales, we've got some unabridged classics, Alice in Wonderland, things like that. So check these out if you love beautifully illustrated collections of stories. These are great. So that's the end of that video. Thanks for watching.